It is never my intention to make someone happy. I do intend to put a smile on someone's face. So today, let's put a smile on someone's face. Let's make my favorite dish, fried fish and plantain. I love this dish. Anytime, any day. And here I have all my ingredients ready. Plantain, fish, pepper, onions, garlic and ginger, and hot African pepper, and some seasoning. I like to season my fish at night, leave it to sit down for 24 hours because then you can really taste the seasoning inside of the fish. That's how I liked it. You can do it whatever way pleases you. So now I'm going to fry my plantain. This plantain was a little bit overripe, but this is what I have. And we don't really have African stores around the area where you can go and get another one. So I just have to use the one I have. But it turned out really nice and I loved it. So I'm using sunflower oil to fry the plantain. And I use coconut oil to make the sauce. You can use whatever oil you have in your kitchen. You don't have to use what I use, but this is just what I use. So I'm just telling you guys what I use. So with this plantain, I don't want the plantain to be a little bit dark. I've seen some couple of videos of some people frying plantain on the internet, and the plantain was looking like something else. So you got to stay alert if you don't want your plantain ending up looking like a ghost. Okay, so this is the coconut oil that I'm using to make the sauce. So whilst the plantain is frying, I'm going to make the sauce. I first start with the garlic and ginger, and then I add the onions, mix it a little bit, allow that one to fry, and then later on I go in with the rest of the ingredients. I'm allowing the onions and the garlic and the ginger to fry a little bit. And then I'm going to try to turn the plantain around. I don't want the plantain to be really brown, so I feel like this color is perfect enough. I'm just going to remove this. So whilst I'm done frying the plantain, your girl is going to fry the fish. I need to get a cover for this pan because I don't want that fish oil to go on my face. I saw a video, I don't know whether it was on TikTok, Facebook or Instagram, someone frying fish. I don't know whether it was fish or chicken, and this lady was using her hand inside the hot oil. Me that was watching the video, I felt the burning sensation on my hand. I wasn't the one frying it, but I felt that burning sensation. Like, it can never be me. It can never be me, but I find it so fascinated. Like I was just imagine, don't you feel any pain? Don't you feel the burn? Don't you feel anything? Because me frying fish, I need to cover that pan because I don't want any oil to be on my face. I don't want any burn on my face. So, but anyway, kudos to the lady. She's a very strong one. That's really nice. So I'm just adding my pepper, and then I'm just like to add the rest of the ingredients. Allow that one to steam a little bit. The tomato is the last thing that I'm going to add, just because tomato has lots of water and I'm not going to add any water, so I'm actually going to use the tomato water as the last ingredients to just spice everything up. And this is just steam. You don't really want it to be like 100% like cooked. I feel like the pepper, I really like when the pepper is a little bit hard instead of very soft. So, but you can do it whatever way that pleases you. For me, I just liked it that way. Now I'm going to add the seasoning, some salt. I don't really eat a lot of salt. This one, we're going to add a little bit more salt. Me, myself, and I really don't like a lot of salt in food. I'm not really a salt lover. I just like the food to be okay. A little bit of salt, it's okay for me. They will tell you count 10 people to go to heaven and you will count and forget yourself. It can never be me. I will start with me, myself, and I. So this was the dish for the person. It was looking really nice and I loved it. I'm happy that I'm able to put a smile on someone's face. Like I said, it's never my intention to make anyone happy, but I do intend to put a smile on someone's face. So after packaging all of this for the person, I decided to make the remaining one for myself because I am not that kind of person who would do something for somebody and forget myself. No, it can never be me. So this was mine that I made for myself, and I'm just going to sit down with a cold bottle of Vinto. If you know Vinto, then you know. If you don't know, you don't know. Hope you all like this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box.